What's the meaning of Barclays? Barclays. Barclays.
Barclays. Barclays. Barclays is a British multinational investment bank and financial services company. The name Barclays comes from the two founders of the original company, John Freem and Thomas Gould, who established a banking business in London in 1690. The name Barclays was adopted in 1736 when James Barclay became a partner, and the bank was renamed to reflect this new partnership. Today, Barclays operates in over 40 countries and provides a wide range of financial products and services to individuals, businesses, and institutions. The company is known for its expertise in corporate and investment banking, wealth management, and innovation in digital banking and fintech.